The sneaky ways hidden debt can affect divorce settlement. Sometimes there's financial infidelity in a relationship, and one spouse may have large credit card bills that they usually tell the other spouse about right after they get married, and the other spouse bails the other spouse out. And then throughout the marriage, the other spouse goes back to their bad ways. We see this all the time, and they run up debt 20, 30, sometimes $60,000 or $80,000. The problem becomes, what happens to that debt? Is it marital debt? If one spouse wasn't a gambler, let's say, but they were using it to take trips and they were using it to buy things for the kids, and then they try to assert at the divorce time that those debts should be divided equally and that the other spouse should take on that debt, and they can show that it wasn't just because they were a profligate spender that went to the casino or they had a gambling habit of some kind or a drug habit. This is things they used for the house. It could really affect things because it could be a significant debt that one party may have to take on. The other party may then try to assert that it's marital and the other spouse didn't know anything about it. So you have to make sure you find those issues out early when the other party produces their discovery and their financial affidavit, and say to your client, hey, did you know about this debt? And to the extent they didn't, I would look at what the credit card statements say the debt was used for. Maybe take a deposition, send some questions to the other side, formal questions called interrogatories, where you ask exactly what the purpose of debt was to make a determination if in fact those are marital or not. Those things can really jam up a potential settlement or even a trial because it's got to be dealt with in some way. And if one person is asserting that it's marital, you really want to make sure that you're prepared at trial or at a negotiation to show that it was or it wasn't, depending on which side you have.